to collect weights on the killer whale. So in one of our packages, we have a killer whale size scale, and they slide up onto it just like this. However, you guys might notice that a large portion of his body goes out of the water just like this. And that's how I know that on Tuesday morning, Coyote here is weighing in at 10,040 pounds. It's important for us to weigh all the animals to ensure that the more mature whales like Coyote here are maintaining healthy weights, and the younger whales like Sakari are growing appropriately.
It's an important part of life for the whales and for us.